Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Toyota Highlander, and on this Highlander we're going to go over how you would replace the we're going to replace these two light bulbs in here. So first we're going to pop the hood, the hatch to get to those. So these are a little easier to get to. You don't need to remove the whole assembly to be able to get access to those. Pop this side down, work your way around, use your non-marring tool and be able to pull. There's just some plastic clips in here and one on both sides. Oops. And then once you've released both sides, then you can pull this out and see there's these tabs right here. So that's why we work from the top and pull it down. And then that way we are able to pop this cover off, and then we have access to the light bulbs that are in there. The bottom one is your reverse light bulb. So just twist that a quarter turn to the left and then be able to pull out the light bulb and remove to be able to replace. This light bulb right here is a light bulb. It's called a 921. So you would get a new 921 for your reverse light bulb and reinstall. Take the light bulb, snap it back into place, and then line these up. There's going to be larger tabs, smaller tabs, so you know how to get it lined up in there. There we go. It's got the right thing. Now this also has those arrows like the other one did, so that you can line up that arrow to lock that into place. So that was the reverse light bulb, which is the bottom one on the exterior housing. And then this is just the standard tail light bulb. And so you'll just twist that, pull it out. So you get your new bulb here. This is a 5WW or a 168, and be able to put that back in, put a new one in there, and we place it in, and then put it up in there and twist that a quarter turn to the right. And then when you're done with that, then you would just put the cover back on, snap that back into place, and that's how you replace the inner lights on your the tail lights here. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.